to Dean's Baking Show. So today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry muffins. So the things we will need is 2 cups of all-purpose bleached flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 1 cup of buttermilk, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, and then 1 cup of blueberries. Okay, so now we are going to go over and preheat the oven. So preheat the oven to 375. So the first thing we are going to do is cut 6 tablespoons of butter. So we are going to cut the butter right here at the 7th. Okay, so now with the butter, I've got it chopped up into 6 tablespoons. So it should look like this. And wrap the 6 tablespoons of butter and put it in the bowl. So now I'm going to put this paper towel over it. Now I am going to put the butter in the microwave for 20 seconds. 20 seconds are done. I pulled it out of the microwave, but it isn't very melted, so I'm going to put it back in the microwave for another 10 seconds. It's still not ready, so I'm going to heat it up for 7 seconds. So I'm done heating up the butter, and it should look like this. There are still some little chunks in there, but that's okay, because if you heat it up too long, it will explode. Okay, so now I have 2 eggs. So the first one I'm going to crack. Okay, I got both of the eggs cracked. So when it said lightly beaten, that means you're going to take your spoon and kind of beat the yolks. So now we are going to add the butter that we melted earlier into the bowl. With my spoon, I mixed the egg and the butter together. So now we have a 1 cup and some buttermilk. So we are going to pour 1 cup of buttermilk. Okay, so now I am done mixing the buttermilk, the butter, and the eggs together. So it should look like this. Okay, so now I'm going to put the sugar in, which I already did. So I have a 1/4 cup and some sugar. So you put 3/4 cups of sugar, and then you stir it. So now we are going to use 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. So this is a teaspoon, so we'll need 2½. And 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Also put in 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. So now we are going to wait a bit. Some bubbles should start popping up. So now I am going to mix this all together. And then I'm going to wait a bit longer for some more bubbles to pop up. You can see there are some more bubbles popping up again. If there are a few chunks of butter still left over in there, it's okay. They should melt when you're cooking it in the oven. So if you wash off the other cup from earlier that we used, you can take some bleached all-purpose flour. So first just put 1 cup in of it. So now mix in the 1 cup of flour. So now we are going to add another cup of flour into there. Okay, so now I mixed up the 2nd cup of flour, and you also have to scrape the bottom to make sure there's no flour on the bottom, and get all the flour up and mixed into the dough. So now the dough should look like this. So if you take and scoop it up on a spoon and put it sideways like this, it should slowly fall off. Okay, I got a cup of washed blueberries. So after you do it, you have to put your hand over it so no blueberries come out, but spread your fingers out so water can come out, and dump it over in the sink so that the water drains out. So now I'm going to dump the cup of blueberries into here. But instead of mixing them in, I'm just going to kind of just push them down a bit. Otherwise, they will smash and you will get blueberry juice. So now we are going to load this tray right here. Each one of these things should have a thing about to here. Okay, so now I've done filling the muffins, and they should look like this. So now I am going to put the muffins in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. I'm going to start with 18. Since they don't look very good, I'm going to set them for another minute. It's been 20 minutes, so I pulled the muffins out. Cooking time over!